Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 550 model. It's in excellent shape. Works great. So I got the original box right here for it. So what we got here is the paperwork. I'll show you in a second what we have here. So we got the iRobot Roomba here. Quick start guide, some other paperwork, registration card, more papers, owner's manual. Alright. So we got the cleaning tool right there. Clean brushes out. Get this Roomba out. We got the other cleaning tool. So this is pretty much like almost like a pet series model because it has two cleaning tools here. We also have another set of brushes. So while the other one's clean, you can clean this off. So it's brand new. We got two extra sets of iRobot filters right here. Alright. So yes, this Roomba includes the iRobot system in it. We got two virtual walls here. Alright. They're auto virtual walls. Got the docking station. It's a slim one, so it doesn't take as much room. Alright, and we got the brand new charger here. So that's a fast charger. Just plug it into the dock station here. Alright, and we got the Roomba here. I'll flip it over real quick. I got a brand new face plate on this, so it looks really good. So this face plate is brand new. For more pictures or more details, you can look at my listing there, and you'll see more pictures. So for more information, if you have any questions, please let me know. But this Roomba works great. So on the back side, we got the three-legged brush right here. Caster front wheel. The cleaning head module is green, so it's pet series. Well, there's a little foam little piece underneath there inside the gears area, so it keeps the pet hair out. And we got the iRobot system here. Filter's in great shape. Alright. The brushes are almost like new here. So also in great shape. So like I said, this Roomba works great. It has no issues. The battery lasts about an hour. And it's a great working Roomba. And I'll turn it on here for you guys to see. Works great. Alright. Happy beating.